How long is it? We need to get a better torque wrench.
Hi, I'm Graham Price, and when I'm not working, you'll often find me at a racetrack. I race in 2 different championships, both of which include mandatory pit stops. So having a reliable team around me is a really important part of being competitive. I'd been looking for a professional company that could provide the technical support and expertise needed to help me get the very best from the cars, both on and off the track. Ascocars came highly recommended, so I got in touch to see if they'd be interested in working with me. They have an excellent reputation, making them an easy choice, and they're now helping me prepare the cars before each event, carry out the pit stops during the races, and support me throughout the weekend. I'm delighted to be working with the Ascocars team, and I'm excited to see what we can achieve together.
This is new to us, of course. It's our first time ever doing something like this. As you can see here, we've got 2 amazing race cars. We've got one inside the workshop already. We're actually doing work on it already, so we've already started. The whole team's excited. If I'm to be honest with you, the whole team is excited, and hopefully you guys are as well. So thank you very much.
No, you're welcome, mate. It's going to be a good combination, and I know that we're going to have success working together. So
100%.
Let's make the most of it. Can you go to the front wheels first? Because what happens is when you stop, the moment you stop, the tyres, the radiant heat from the brakes start to heat the tyres up, and it starts to really cook. So the quicker you can get these done, so if you can just go round, torque these up. Don't worry, it's no problem. These things
in a race.
No, it's cool. We've got 2 minutes to do this.
So I have to make sure we're doing 2 things in under 2 minutes.
That's it.
The torque wrench, the torquing the wheels,
Yep.
and also adjusting the tyre pressures.
Exactly.
All of that in under 2 minutes.
That's it. It has to be much under, because it also includes the time it takes me to drive from the start-finish line, the pit lane start.
Yep.
Drive to where you guys are standing, stop the car, you work on it, then I drive off, and it has to be 2 minutes, or as close to 2 minutes as I can when I get to the pit lane exit. Okay. But the trick is, so you'll be checking the tyre pressures. Okay. The tyre pressures are 99% going to be very high, and you need to bring them down to 30 psi. Let's just do a dummy run.
Yeah,
so
dummy
for
run,
now,
yeah.
we'll go out there in a minute, but for now, the car has stopped. You're standing in the garage,
Yep.
on the edge of the garage. It'll be facing that way. But no, you're fine there. Right, so if you come and stand here, Nick, and then we go, okay, go.
Well, you done? Huh?
That's it. And because I've got a timer in the car, I know exactly what time I arrived and what time, and then I have to crawl up, or depending on how quick you were, will determine how much time I now have to get to the pit lane exit. So I'll then take off and crawl to the pit lane exit and try and make it exactly.
So what time do you want us? How quick do you want us to do this?
Just as quick as you can. Because then that gives me plenty of time to decide, while I can watch the clock ticking. I can just drive slowly down the pit lane, get close to the exit, and then as soon as I see 2 minutes, I floor it.
We need to get a better torque wrench. We've got a cheap one. How long is it? That? Let me see.
It might take longer when you're taking out the air. Yeah, it's a bit longer when the air is...
Yeah, it takes long. No, that's fine. There's still plenty of time. What I'm thinking is we might want to put a chock on one of the wheels, stop it rolling, just in case it's on a slight
Oh, so in a race, put a...
Yeah, Yeah, that would be something to consider.
Not a Mercedes, right? It's not a Mercedes, but everyone that's driving the A-Class, they've got a Renault engine, so it's a half a Mercedes.
Just by way of what Umar's been doing for me here, this is another of our race cars, and we were having problems with the engine. It wasn't running very well, and it was decided, Umar decided it needed a rebuild. So we took the engine out, he stripped it down completely. It's a completely new racing forged engine, so it's a proper bit of kit. And the really noisy and lovely part about it is the independent throttle bodies. So it's got Gen V throttle bodies on it now, which not only make it develop a heck of a lot more power, but make it just sound amazing, and it goes like a rocket. So just with a few tweaks I've been discussing with Umar, we're going to make to the car to just tune it and get it running properly, and before you know it, this will be a proper race winner.
It's been a winner, yeah. It took us quite a bit of time to get this where it is right now. As you know, it's new to us, so Graham's been teaching us on all the modifications that he wants, and it's our job to deliver.
And it's a fine build. It's absolutely pucker. It's as good as it gets. It's a Mark II Clio, so it's not a young car. So to be building an engine of this quality into what is already an expensive rebuild is quite amazing. And it's going to be such an exciting experience to listen to this, because they sound incredible, and just to see how quick the thing is. So yeah, thank you, Umar, for all your hard work. It's coming along beautifully, and we're nearly there.
What we're just doing right now, we're just doing some, as you can see, we're doing some bit of body work as well on the car. You see, we're trying to get this into very good working order. So excited. This is something new to Ascocars, so we'll see you guys at the racetrack next weekend.
Brands Hatch.
Brands Hatch.
Be there.
Yeah! Yeah! He's gonna get me to be there.